Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm here to show you how you can use VPN on your iPhone. So for that you have to download VPN app to use it on your iPhone. So I'm going to Play Store and type antivirus, and then you can see Kaspersky. So you have to download it and then open it. So as I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to open it. From here, tap next, accept terms and conditions. Over here you have to sign into your account, so I'm going to log it with my Facebook account. Continue, then open. So yeah, this is how you can use your VPN on iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video.